In this video, we're unboxing the Shule Biscuit Maker. This is a cookie press that is set up like a gun so you can press out your biscuits or cookies, and it comes with 20 different stainless steel dies. So let's go ahead and pop it out of the package and we'll see what comes in this pack. So these do come in a few different colors. The one I've chosen here is in a pretty cool looking lime green. So very nice looking setup, and it's going to work pretty easy. So you'd get your cookie mix or biscuit mix inside of here. Then as you use it, it's just pulling the trigger to squeeze down. Now it's going to come with quite a few different options here. First off, you're going to have a little manual showing you how to use it, also how to clean it, as well as it comes with a nice recipe on the back. And then inside of the packaging, you're going to get several different setups. So you're going to have several different cookie shapes that can come out of this. And each of these, especially like that Christmas tree goes with the green, each of these will work together. And then for your 20 pieces of adapters, you're also going to have different adapters for icing. So you can actually use this for icing, and each one of these is going to be a little bit different shape. So now that we've taken a look at how that works, let's go ahead and place one of these in, and I'll show you what that looks like. So in the case of using our Christmas tree shaped, what you can do is you can unscrew the top of the barrel, and you can actually place this right in. And so if you get that angled properly, now all you have to do is squeeze that part down, and you can fill this in with your cookie material or biscuit material right inside of the shaft. This button will allow you to extend and retract the plunger. So you'll actually just put that together, screw that back in, and then at this point you can preload it as far as you need to. And now over the cookie sheet, you can just squeeze and out will come some Christmas trees. So thanks for watching this video on the Shule cookie press. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already.